Hello and welcome. My name's Emily and today I have for you a nice dynamic yoga flow. And what we mean by dynamic is just flowing with the breath. So our movements coincide with our inhales and exhales, and it just kind of helps create some nice energy and fluidity in the body. So if maybe you're feeling a bit sluggish, perhaps you've been sat at a desk all day, this little dynamic flow is great just to help loosen any tight joints or stiffness in the body. So we'll begin really nice and simple, standing, and we'll just take the feet slightly wider than hip width apart. And we'll begin with some nice sways from side to side. And we're moving slowly with control here. We're not just flinging the arms side to side. We're moving nicely with purpose. And beginning to build a rhythm, we'll inhale to one side, exhale to the other. And again, we'll add to this little dynamic flow. So as you twist to the right, lift the left heel up off the mat and twist a little deeper. Twist to the left, lift the right heel up. And continuing with this nice swaying movement. Again, with your breath, inhale, exhale. Inhale one side, exhale the other. And just flowing with your breath. You can close the eyes if that feels nice. And then we'll move the fingers up to our shoulders so that we can deepen the twists from side to side. Inhale one side, exhale to the other. Couple more. Inhale, exhale. Last one. Inhale, exhaling. And we can gently come back to our center. Hopefully that started to build a bit of energy in the body. Bringing the feet together. There can be a little bit of space if we feel like we need that today. And again, flowing with our breath, release the hands down by the sides. As you inhale, press the toes into the mat, lift the heels up nice and high and reach the arms out and up. Exhaling slowly, coming back down, bring the heels back down to the mat. Syncing your movements with your breath. Inhale slowly with control, reaching up. Exhale, gently with control, coming down, testing our balance here. Inhale, lengthen. Exhaling lower. One more time. Inhale. Reaching the heels up high. Exhaling. Lowering. Beautiful. And we'll move through some half sun salutations. So just turning sideways so you can see me. Standing with our toes together. Inhale, reaching the arms out and up. Exhale, diving into your forward fold. Generous bend in the knees if we need. Inhale, lengthen to your half lift, nice flat back. Either fingers to the mat, palms to the shins or thighs. Exhale, forward fold, bend the knees. Inhale, reaching the arms back out and up. Exhale, dive straight back into your forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reaching back out and up. One more time. Exhale, dive back straight into your forward fold. Inhale, lift. Exhaling, fold. Inhale, reaching the arms back out and up. Exhale, we can bring the hands down in prayer. Keeping the right foot at the top of the mat, we can step back the left foot, a nice wide stance, and come into your warrior two. We have a nice bend in that front knee, and the arms are in line with the shoulders. And moving with our breath again, we'll add our dynamic flow. So as we inhale, lengthen through the front leg and reach the arms up. Exhale, sink back into your warrior two. Two more times. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. And then we can switch sides. So we can turn the left foot to the top of the mat. The right foot turns to the short side of the mat. Bending into your left knee, coming into your warrior two on the left side. Again, inhale, lengthen through the front leg, reach the arms up. Exhale, sink into your warrior two. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. And we can windmill those hands down to the mat. Step it back to a plank. Exhale, knees, chest and chin, or chaturanga. Inhaling, upward facing dog. Exhaling, downward facing dog. And just a quick moment here to paddle out the feet. We can take a few breaths here. Just to let the breath settle, let the heart slow down a little. Our heart rate, sorry. And then on our next exhale, gently bring the knees down to the mat. Hands come shoulder width apart, knees hip width. And we'll move through our cat-cows, which is another nice dynamic flow. So on our inhale from the sacrum, drawing the belly down, lifting the chest and chin up. Exhale, pulling the belly in, rounding the spine, chin to the chest. Inhale, lift. Exhaling, rounding. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more times. Inhale. Exhaling. Last one. Inhale. Exhaling. And then inhale, we can come back to our neutral tabletop and gently take it back to a child's pose, however you like to take your child's pose here, whether that's with the knees together or out wide to the edges of the mat. Arms can be extended or down by the sides. And we could just take a moment here to close the eyes, let the breath settle. One more breath. On your next inhale, bring the fingertips underneath the shoulders and just pressing into them so we come back to sit on the heels. And there we have our nice little dynamic flow for the day today. I hope you guys enjoyed that little flow. If you did, please like the video, maybe leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more free yoga content. Thanks again for joining. I'll see you next time. Namaste.